Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, I'm in my G80 M3. I've been enjoying this car for the last few months, hence why it's not been on the channel. Sometimes it's just easier not to point a camera and just enjoy the car. But today I thought I'll do a vid because I'm here down at Maltec, which is the home for my BMWs anyway when it comes to modifications, and we're going to be addressing the ride height on this thing. The rear of the G80 M3 has always been that kind of a nice sort of squat look, but the front end has like a nasty wheel arch. Or the wheel arch gap, which we're going to address, and the front end as well. We're going to install a CS style grille. I'm going to hand the car over to the Maltec team to work their magic, and I'll see you guys in a short while once the car's back out of the workshop looking as it should. So I've just got the car back from Maltec. I think the car looks absolutely amazing, like the way it's kind of now set off. It is right behind us over here. I'm going to give you guys a quick walk around of the car, show you what we've done to it, and hopefully you can leave a comment in the comment section below. So we've had the car lowered on the front by 25mm, so it's got a 25mm drop on the front. The rear we've not touched, and the reason for that is because the M3 is already kind of sit fairly low on the back. As you can see, there's not much of a wheel arch gap there, but on the front there was, so we've addressed that now by a 25mm drop on there. We've also gone for spacers. Now the setup on this is we've got a 12mm spacer on the rear and a 10mm spacer on the front, and therefore it just fills the arches a little bit better there, as you can see, and on the back here as well. The wheel just pops out just a little bit, so you can just see there. The sun is playing havoc with me today on the camera, but here we go. You can just see from there. Now the big transformation is on the front end. So we've just had the CS style front grille fitted to the car, and also these air ducts as well on the lower bumper. Now on the LCI, I don't know why, but they had like mesh grills fitted all the way across the bottom here and all the way across the other side. This is how it should be. I know they've probably done that because you've got radiators behind those air ducts, as you can see right over there if I just zoom in. But I think it just looks way more cooler and complete like this from the front end, especially on the LCI. It just looks really complete and really aggressive. I'm really made up with the way it now looks, and if you look at it from here, again, black cars are not the best to kind of film, but it's just sitting so much better than how it was before. And yes guys, the number plate has fallen off. It is being displayed. I've got a private number plate for this car anyway, so that's going to be going on soon, so we'll get that rectified soon anyway. But at the moment I'm not going to drill or put any sticky tapes on my new CS grille for now. That's going to stay as it is. So guys, let me know in the comments what you think of the way my M3 is now looking with the CS style front end, the lowering springs on the front, the 12 and 10mm spacers all round as well. I think it looks pretty bang on. It's exactly how I envisaged this car to look when I picked it up a few months back now. I know it hasn't featured on the channel. I've been really busy with personal life, hence why the kind of YouTube has kind of dropped off a little bit. But do follow me on my Instagram because I always drop something on there, and I think I teased a few clips of this car before this video went up as well. So behind the scenes, everything gets loaded up on my Instagram. Instagram tag will be in the description of this vid. If you have enjoyed it, give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, smash that subscribe button because it really helps me out, you know, just kind of do content like this. I'm going to do some more mods to this car. Not going to go crazy, not going to do any like crazy body kits or anything, but there'll be some tasteful mods coming up. I have partnered up with a few people as well now, so all of that will be coming to the channel very soon. If you have enjoyed it, give it a like. Hopefully guys, I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Laters.